right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So here on the front right wheel, I do not see any curb rash. Now I know on some of the wheels I have seen a couple tiny rock chips. So far nothing standing out to me on that wheel. You can see those carbon ceramics look amazing. Calipers look good. Here on the fender, this car does not have any PPF on it. Upper section looks good. All of that's clean. Got the shields. You do have film on that very edge protecting it. I don't see any flaws there. Here on the side mirror, you can see the tiniest scuff right here, and it does not catch your nail. I think it's just on the surface. It looks worse than it is. I do not feel it at all, so I imagine that could probably be polished out. Looks like something just barely grazed it there. Gloss black here looks good. I don't feel any chips on that door edge. Looking at the body lines, they look good. All of that's clean. Looks good. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. I do see a tiny chip right there, and a couple little rock impacts just on the inside spokes here. And then right here, these tiny little markings. Looks like something barely scuffed it. Trying to get up close there. The rest of that looks good. Absolutely gorgeous spec here. Alright, we're going to scan that front bumper. Just kind of looking through all of this. All of that looks good. So far the hood looks perfect. Like I said, I'm looking for little scuffs, rock chips, rock impacts. Little spot here where a bug kind of splattered it. This is a perfect candidate to put PPF on. So I know there's going to be a couple tiny little rock impacts here and there, but nothing's really standing out to me besides this one guy right there. That's it. Let's get under the car here. Very light rash right there on that plastic piece. Kind of bear with me here. The paint looks good. Paint looks good there. Now the little plastic under there has a little bit of rash. Tiny little spot there. Otherwise, that is perfect. So really, the only thing that stood out was a tiny little rock impact there. The rest of that front end looks good. All of that looks good. Wheel looks amazing. Mirror looks good. Lower section's clean. It's really not much to pick apart so far. Zero curb rash on the wheel. I do see a rock chip right here. All of this looks good. That glass is clean. All right, checking out the interior. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Leather's perfect. That blue stitching looks good. Very clean. Carpets look good. Here on that bolster. Nice and clean there. That looks good. Steering wheel's perfect. Really nothing to pick apart in here. Here on the passenger panel, the upper looks good. Bottom looks amazing. Looking at the seat, I don't see any flaws there. Same here, that looks perfect. Gorgeous stitching here. Underside looks perfect. I mean, this is a brand new car. It smells brand new. Love this color combo. Just scanning through the engine bay here. All of this looks perfect.